Most businesses choose WordPress for its seemingly low starting price, but the hidden costs of plugins, security, and maintenance often lead to an unmanaged budget. This video breaks down these hidden layers and explains why a custom Laravel CMS can be a much smarter long-term investment. On paper, launching a WordPress site costs less than $200 for a domain, theme, and basic hosting. While this number closes the deal, it effectively masks the recurring expenses and operational requirements that follow shortly after launch. WordPress core requires separate plugins for essential functions like SEO, security, backups, and speed. The average site relies on 20 to 40 active plugins, effectively forcing you to manage dozens of independent software products just to keep your site functional. Many premium plugins have moved to annual subscription models. With over 15 paid plugins on a typical site, you can expect your plugin bill to grow significantly, often tripling by year 3 compared to your initial launch costs. Switching or updating a WordPress theme isn't just a style change, it's often a major project. Because content is tightly coupled to theme-specific shortcodes and builders, migrations can cost thousands of dollars to fix broken layouts and configurations. Because WordPress is a primary target for hackers, security patches are a constant necessity. Managing updates for the core platform, themes, and dozens of plugins becomes a weekly operational drain that often requires expensive maintenance plans. If a site is breached, the costs of cleanup, blacklist removal, and potential downtime revenue loss can quickly eclipse the original budget of the entire website. For many businesses, security is no longer optional but a recurring annual expense. Page speed is critical for SEO, but standard WordPress setups are often bloated. Achieving high-performance scores typically requires additional paid tools and developer time, adding hundreds or even thousands of dollars to your annual speed optimization budget. Plugin conflicts are a common cause of unexpected downtime. A simple update to one plugin can break another, leading to emergency debugging sessions and costly hourly developer fees to resolve issues on your live site. Relying on freelance developers for even small fixes can be unexpectedly expensive. Once you factor in diagnosis, staging, and testing, what seems like a simple button change can consume several hours of professional time. Eventually, many businesses decide to move away from WordPress. Content migration is complex and carries significant risks to your SEO and search rankings, often requiring professional services that cost thousands of dollars to execute correctly. When you tally up hosting, maintenance, security, and developer fixes, a site that started at $200 can cost thousands of dollars annually by year 3. This is the true, often hidden, financial story of owning a WordPress site. Laravel is a professional full-stack PHP framework built for power and control. Unlike WordPress, a custom Laravel CMS is architected specifically for your business, eliminating the bloat and technical debt associated with third-party plugin ecosystems. Features that require plugins in WordPress are often native to Laravel. By building with a framework that includes built-in authentication, routing, and database management, you significantly reduce the surface area for errors and security vulnerabilities. Ultimately, the structural difference is about dependency reduction. With a Laravel CMS, you rely on a small, controlled set of tested packages, which leads to fewer conflicts, predictable updates, and a more stable, maintainable business platform. Moving beyond WordPress, Laravel offers superior long-term performance. Without the heavy plugin stacks or theme frameworks found in legacy platforms, you get a lean, optimized codebase that is built for speed from the ground up. Security is baked into the framework, not added as an afterthought. Features like CSRF protection, password hashing, and SQL injection prevention come standard, eliminating the need to maintain third-party security plugins. As your business scales, Laravel scales with you. Whether you need an e-commerce layer or custom APIs, you can expand your functionality cleanly without rebuilding your foundation, ensuring your early investment compounds instead of turning into technical debt. While Laravel requires a higher initial investment, it delivers dramatically lower operational costs over time. After 3 years, these savings become clear, especially when you factor out the costs of security incidents and constant plugin updates. The final verdict? WordPress is for quick, short-term needs, but Laravel is for businesses that value long-term control and predictability. Choose your platform based on your total cost of ownership, not just the initial price tag.